Hi there, it's Kayla Matthews with Remax Alliance, and I'm so excited to introduce my new listing to you at 789 Nova Road. I'm sitting down here at the pasture. The property sits on 9.26 acres. Have you been dreaming of Colorado horse property or maybe homestead opportunities on a gorgeous piece of Colorado paradise? Well, this property might fit your needs. This gorgeous property sits on 9.26 acres, has fenced-in pasture areas for the horses, a barn with 2 stalls, a tack room, and a loft, and some lean-to areas which are currently being used as a chicken coop, which you can see behind me. It is safe, accessible, and roomy for the chickens and ducks that call it home. This wonderful property is located in Woodside Park in Pine, Colorado, which is an equestrian-friendly neighborhood. There's tons of hiking trails, one which is accessed right behind me through the pasture. And down the valley is the Equestrian Center, which has a riding arena, a round pen, and stalls for your equestrian needs. You will also love the outdoor spaces. There's a new deck with great views, a hot tub, a private yard which is flat and usable, tons of rock outcroppings, aspens, trees, and you are surrounded by wildlife. So let's go check out the inside of this beautiful property. Great thing about this property is the location. It's located just minutes to Highway 285 for a quick commute to Denver, or the high country for skiing, or to our local state park, which is Staunton State Park, for horseback riding, biking, hiking, fishing, and so much more. If you or someone you know are interested, contact me below for more details or for a private showing. Thanks, have a great day, and remember, smiles are contagious.